Welcome to the Authority Property Management audio blog, where rentals, real estate, and reality collide. Whether you're renting it out, living in it, or thinking about investing, we've got insights, stories, and strategies to keep you in the know. Let's dive right into today's topic.
Winter Property Maintenance Checklist for Reading Landlords. Keep your Reading rental safe, efficient, and winter-ready with smart maintenance that protects your investment. Winter in Reading may not bring blizzards, but don't let the mild climate fool you. With December bringing the heaviest rainfall and nighttime temperatures occasionally dropping below freezing, your rental properties face real challenges that demand proactive preparation. As a landlord, winter maintenance protects your investment, ensures tenant safety, and prevents costly emergency repairs. Here's your essential guide to winterizing your rental properties effectively. Your essential winter maintenance checklist. Gutters and drainage, your first priority. With Reading's significant winter rainfall, clogged gutters are one of the leading causes of property damage. According to maintenance experts, clogged gutters can lead to water damage, loosened gutters, ice dams, and pest problems. Remove all leaves, debris, and pine needles from gutters. Clear downspouts completely and flush with water. Check for loose or sagging sections and repair. Ensure downspouts extend several feet from the foundation. Schedule cleaning at least twice annually. Roof and exterior protection. Inspect for loose, damaged, or missing shingles. Clear debris from roof valleys. Check flashing around vents and chimneys. Verify ground slopes away from foundation. Fill cracks in driveways and walkways. Look for gaps around windows and doors. Heating system. Keep it running smoothly. Heating system failures are among the most common winter emergency calls. The risk is real. Home heating fires result in over $1 billion in property damage annually. Schedule professional HVAC inspection before winter. Install new filters and provide extras to tenants. Test the system by running it for several hours. Have chimneys professionally cleaned if property has a fireplace. Verify thermostats function correctly. Plumbing protection, prevent frozen pipes. While severe freezes are rare, pipes can still freeze during cold nights, especially in crawl spaces and exterior walls. According to insurance data, approximately 1 in 67 insured homes experiences water damage from freezing. Insulate exposed pipes in crawl spaces, attics, and garages. Disconnect and drain all garden hoses. Turn off water supply to outdoor faucets. Install faucet covers on exterior spigots. Flush water heater to remove sediment every 2 years. For vacant properties, shut off water and drain all pipes. Safety systems, legal requirements. California law requires working smoke and carbon monoxide detectors in rental properties. Test all smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Replace batteries in all units. Replace detectors that fail testing or are expired. Check fire extinguishers are charged and accessible. Provide tenants with emergency contact information. Weatherproofing, keep heat in, water out. Check window and door weather stripping and replace if worn. Apply fresh caulk around window trim. Seal gaps around pipes and electrical entry points. Install foam gaskets behind outlet covers on exterior walls. Verify windows close and lock properly. Outdoor maintenance. Don't forget. Trim branches hanging over the roof or near power lines. Remove dead branches that could break during storms. Clear fallen leaves from walkways and drains. Ensure outdoor lighting illuminates all walkways. Check that walkways have slip-resistant surfaces. Your winter maintenance timeline. Late fall, November. Clean gutters and downspouts. Winterize outdoor plumbing. Test heating systems. Check weather stripping. Test safety detectors. Early winter, December. Final pre-winter walkthrough. Send winter safety reminders to tenants. Verify emergency contacts are current. Midwinter, January, February. Monitor for any issues after heavy rains. Respond promptly to tenant maintenance requests. Communicate with your tenants. Your tenants are your eyes and ears. Provide them with clear guidance on Proper thermostat settings and heating use. What to do if heating fails. How to prevent frozen pipes, keep heat on, allow faucets to drip during freezes. How to report maintenance issues and what constitutes an emergency. Monthly HVAC filter changes. The cost of prevention versus repair. Winter maintenance requires investment, but it's far less expensive than emergency repairs. Set aside budget for professional HVAC service, gutter cleaning twice annually, roof and chimney inspections, weatherproofing materials, emergency repair fund for unexpected issues, when to call professionals. Some tasks require expertise. Always hire professionals for HVAC system servicing and repairs, roof inspections and major repairs, chimney cleaning and inspection, electrical work, major plumbing repairs, gas line work. Let Authority Property Management handle the details. Protect your investment. By following this checklist, you'll prevent costly emergency repairs, extend the life of major systems, keep tenants safe and satisfied, and maintain your property value. Remember, winter maintenance not a one-time task. It's an ongoing commitment to property care that protects your investment year after year. Managing winter maintenance across multiple properties can be overwhelming. Between scheduling services, conducting inspections, coordinating repairs, and communicating with tenants, it becomes a full-time job. Authority Property Management handles all seasonal maintenance as part of our comprehensive services. We coordinate inspections, leverage our contractor network for quality work at competitive prices, identify issues before they become emergencies, and provide 24/7 emergency response when winter problems occur. Your rental property is a significant investment. Let us help you protect it. Ready to ensure your rental properties are winter ready? Contact Authority Property Management today for a free rental analysis and learn how our maintenance services can protect your investment this winter. Call us 530-410-6085. Visit www.authoritypm.com or email us at info@authoritypm.com.
Thanks for tuning into the Authority Property Management audio blog. For more expert landlord or tenant tips, local market updates, and property management support, visit us at authoritypm.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or even drop us a review. Follow us on social media for the latest. Until next time, stay informed, stay profitable.